Hey, what's up guys? So I want to tell you about a recent purchase that I made. They're these really nice placemats. They're called Topotdor. So that's spelled Topotdor. So these placemats are really great. I just want to tell you why I purchased them. I didn't even purchase them for the purpose of having a placemat. I actually purchased them to use underneath my centerpieces that I had for my wedding. So I'll show you the centerpiece so you could see how nice it looks. Just to give you a little background about it, I actually got married inside of an aquarium. So I really wanted to have a different kind of centerpiece. I'm not so into flowers. Don't get me wrong, I think flowers are gorgeous. However, they're super expensive and then they die and you can't really keep them after. I wanted a really nice centerpiece that was going to be something different, something pretty, something people would remember and recognize as unique. And I wanted to have a centerpiece that people could take home. I know when you have flowers made as your centerpieces from the florist, you could take them home afterwards. I just feel like they die really quick and it's like you bring them home and then in like 5 days later you got to throw them out. So I wanted a centerpiece that people could take home, and not only that, but I kind of made it a little bit fun. So I had the DJ do a game where I think it was everybody got their napkin and everybody got a napkin at the table, like one per table, and then the DJ would play a song and you would just have everybody, all the guests at the table, pass around the napkin, and whoever had the napkin when the music shut off would get to keep the centerpiece and take it home. So let me show you the centerpiece really quick. So that was kind of like a musical chairs type of thing. I just wanted the guests to engage with the DJ and have fun with it at the wedding. I wanted it to be different. So this is the centerpiece. My aunt made them. She's creative. She doesn't really make things like this usually. She's an artist, so she draws, she does painting, watercolors, charcoals, still life, you name it. She's very, very talented. So this is an aunt I'm close with, and I said, hey, can you make the centerpieces for my wedding? Come up with something cool. So since it was inside of an aquarium, she goes, why don't we do like these giant fish bowls, and we could kind of fill them with sand and seashells and stuff like that and make it look really pretty. So she designed this, but then she goes, well, we need something nice to go underneath it. So the colors for my wedding were navy, blue, and white. So I wanted it to be blue and white, of course, because it's like a nautical type of theme. So she found these online for me, these wonderful placemats, and I actually, for the wedding, I didn't have these doilies. I just had the placemat with the centerpiece over it, and it just went so nicely together. It matched really well. I had a white linen tablecloth with blue napkins, navy blue napkins, and they matched so perfectly with these placemats. So just to give you a little idea, you know, you could do other things with these placemats. They don't just have to be your regular standard placemats. I use them for the centerpieces for my wedding. They have a ton of different uses that you could really use them for. So going back to them, they're really nice material. They're made of high quality, durable, and environment friendly polypropylene. So I hope I'm saying that right. So they're like environmentally friendly, and they're not super soft or anything like that. They're like a little bit on the tough side. It almost feels like a little bit of a softer version of a straw almost. Front and back is exactly the same. I like how it has like that little like circular design. Goes really nicely. It just looks so, like, I just have, you know, a regular fabric tablecloth on right now, but it especially looks really attractive over wood. So this would really be great for so many different uses. This would go great, you know, on a wood table, like I said. Could be used in restaurants, bars, chop houses, coffee shops, and of course just home, like home use for me. I've definitely used them when we barbecued outside because they're so easy to clean. They're, of course, like, you know, you could only hand wash them. I don't even think I'd put them in my washing machine on hand wash. I think I would just, it's not even worth it. I would just hand wash them myself in my sink with a little bit of hot water, you know, hot soapy water and a sponge, or just spot clean. So they're super easy to clean. Like, you know, of course there's gonna, you know, if you're eating over them, of course you're gonna get food and stuff like that stuck on. So you're gonna just easy wipe clean these placemats, and they're so durable. Like these will definitely last you a while. And I bought a whole bunch for my wedding. I had 22 tables, and they come in 6-packs. So I think I bought 5 6-packs, so I had extra, which I loved. So when people took the centerpieces home, I don't think they realized that they were supposed to take the placemats too, because it's a part of it. But you know, I took all the extra ones and I use them all the time, just for every day, for holidays, if I make dinner, if I have people over. There's so many different uses for them, and the 6-pack is perfect. Like, you know, because like my dining room table is, you know, it's a 6-person seater, so that was just the perfect amount of placemats. And I'm trying to think what else you could really use these for. There's so many different things. If you're creative, I'm sure you could think of something. I love the idea for my centerpiece. I'm so happy my aunt thought of it, because I wouldn't have thought of these on my own, and it just works so perfectly with the colors. I think any kind of centerpiece you have, though, would look nice on top of these. And they come in other colors too. They have like a cream, 2 different types of gray, I believe a red, green, and then of course these, which are the navy blue ones. They don't look like as dark navy as I would have expected, but that's fine. Like they worked perfectly, no complaints here. I'm very happy about it. I love the color. I love the material. I really love everything about these placemats. I just think that they're so perfect. So they're high quality. You could use them so many different ways. They're long lasting, easy to clean. I definitely recommend these, and I hope you guys will try them out and enjoy them. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you guys have a great day.